Let's look at this together, traders. Welcome to this channel. It is like uh, the highest point on the Sydney session. Okay, this gray box is the Sydney session. I'm looking at crude oil, WTI. It's like the highest point and the lowest point set very important key levels on this chart, such that if price closes above, it is very likely to go a very long way, or if it closes below, it is very likely that it drops for a very long way on this oil thing. Maybe if we can find another example, you see that on this day, if you mark the highest point on Sydney and the lowest point, okay, when price close above those points, okay, those key levels, this is right here, you have the London session and then followed by the New York. But if you are able to catch the move from the beginning, you are able to go a very long way with it. Okay, if it works, we can make a lot of money out of this. Okay, let's just check. See, this was the lowest point on Sydney. The highest point was right over there. Okay, so when price closed below, it went for a very long way. You see that. Of course, it can't happen 100%. Okay, there are no certainties in forex. But when I saw this, I thought there's a lot you can earn from this. This was the lowest point on Sydney. Okay, that was the highest point over there. Okay, the highest point, you can use it in a situation whereby, let's say you take a sell and then price goes against you until it closes above. If you see price continuing, you can enter a buy trade up there. Okay, so but for now, I just want us to see how this thing plays out. You see that right here, you could have had this clean move and made a lot of money out of it. Okay, you see right here, even though it was ranging a lot, okay, you see the lowest point on Sydney. Okay, see that price rejects right on this key level, so you could have had a buy trade maybe there after confirming that price has really closed above. And then what I would do, let me say I, because it's my opinion, if price goes against me and gets to the middle of these key levels, I can place maybe 2 more trades. And then if price gets here, I add another trade. Of course, my stop loss being down there or just below that key level, so that if price reverses and moves in my direction again, I have a lot of trades in profit. But if it takes me out, I lose less because most of the other trades were entered very late. Okay, so that's my opinion anyway. I just want us to look at this thing. Okay, let's mark it again here. That was the highest point, you see that, and that was the lowest point. So what you had is price closing below. Okay, you catch that small move, I'm sure you close one of the trades or two in profit, move stop loss to entry, it takes you out, and then you go the opposite way. Okay, either you enter there or you enter right here, because you wait for the news to finish playing around, and then when it takes off again, you go up with it. See that? I like easy stuff, traders. I like easy strategies. Okay, forex shouldn't be complicated. So that was the lowest point down there. You see that when price closed below, you could have taken a sell trade and then caught that very long move on oil. We can make a lot of money out of this. I've never traded it, just saw it now. I'm in bed checking the charts. That's what I usually do. Okay, there was the highest and this was the lowest. Okay, so when price closed below there, you could have taken a sell trade and caught that long move. Okay, let's check. You can make a lot of money out of this. If I was another person, I would sell this strategy. Okay, and then there. Okay, so you would have taken a buy trade somewhere there. Okay, and then caught that very long move. Very long move, traders. Forgive my slow internet, and thank you guys for following this channel. Okay, so right here it wasn't very much respected. Okay, so you shouldn't be too greedy in the market, otherwise you can make a lot of money in a month and then you blow that account in a day. Okay, so don't be too greedy in forex. So let's see what you could have done. You place a buy trade there, price moves in your direction, pulls back. Okay, for me, I would have added another trade there or two more trades, and then price goes in my direction again, puts me in profit. I close two of the trades. Okay, and then I hold one, and then price takes me out. Let me extend that one. Let's do this. Okay, price takes you out on that last trade. It comes back, must be news right here. It comes back in your direction. You let it play out around the time of the news, and then once price is cycled and you see it coming above, you go in with a buy trade. Okay, you go in with a buy trade there. So that's trading. It's where the skill comes in. Okay, so let's see right here what you have. That was the upper key level and the lower key level, and then you have the midpoint where you add some more trades. Okay, and then you have the last point where you add some more trades, and then you have that one for your stop loss level. So you could have taken your first trades by trade maybe there when price closed above. Price goes against you, you add two trades there, and then pulls back, puts you in profit, you close. Okay, you close. Okay, let me end here. For those who do not know this indicator, I always share videos and share the settings for this indicator. So for today, I'm not going to share the settings of this indicator. Just watch any of my other videos. You will find the settings. It's a free indicator found on TradingView.